Yoke skids have arrived, so I could just at least test one. But I've just got to I've just got to trim a little bit off there because these are a little bit too high. I cut them slightly wrong, so I just need to cut maybe 1 centimetre, perhaps a bit more off there. I just measure and cut them. If only I had some miracle way of just kind of chomping them off really quick in one go. Just trimmed it to size, and I've also put a little bevel there on each end. I did that on the other sub, so it's probably, we didn't do anything. So there we go, there's another bit done. That's a skid, so that's going to be the sub to rest on. This should be done with settling cutter really, but I gave up keeping the gas because it was really expensive. So I'm going to need to cut quite a few more holes, so I don't know whether to get gas or get a plasma cutter. I'm feeling like I might get a plasma cutter, to be honest. But for now, I'll have to do with this. So with quite a lot of difficulty, I managed to manhandle that one over there. That's the first completed pod, so it's ready to go under. This one I've put up back on its bracket, but it now doesn't roll about the workshop because that's the old one which collapsed. To be honest, it's okay on those little wheels there, and I'm going to just do this one here. And I've cut that piece ready, so I'm going to start the grinding on this. I'm going to do that tomorrow at home because it doesn't make as much mess on the grass. So just carry on.
These rods are new. 309 rods, but I'm actually still going to put some in the rod oven just because it just helps. And this, I've ground this up, bevel, and I'm not going to fall into the trap this time of not leaving enough of a gap. So I'm going to figure out some way now of packing this out and leaving a really decent gap.